Can you solve 256 to the power 0.16 into 256 to the power 0.09? It may look complex in the beginning, but it is not. Just start solving it and you will get the result in no time. Let us do it. Look at this, we have the same numbers over here, but different numbers over here. Do you remember any identity that fits in here? Yes, I can. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Let us use this identity. So we have 256 to the power 0.16 into 256 to the power 0.09, which is equal to, applying the above identity, we get 256 to the power 0.16 plus 0.09. 0.16, 0.09. We get 96155112.0. So this is equal to 256 to the power 0.25. Now if you see, we have the power in decimals, yet we have to solve it. How? 256. Look at this. 256 can be written as 2 to the power 8. 2 multiplied by 2 8 times gives us 256. It means instead of 256, we can also write 2 to the power 8. We already have 0.25 over here. Now, is there any identity that fits? Yes. A to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. This is equal to 2 to the power 8 into 0.25 using this same identity. So now we have 0.25 into 8, which is equal to 8 5s are 40, 0, 4. 8 to the 16 plus 4, 20, 0, we have 2. 8 zeros are 0 plus 2, we have 2. Here comes the decimal. See, 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 4, the final answer. See, it is so easy, so simple. We just have to start it, use the proper rules, and you get the answer. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.